In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Trade W. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to click on Trading, top left, and then here you could go ahead and select any of these. I'm just going to select the Web Trader, and then there we go. I'm now in my Web Trader, and I swapped over to my demo account to just showcase how to actually initiate some trades. Now, the first thing you have to do here on the left-hand side, where you can see your watch list, you have to find the symbol you want to trade. And for now, I'm just going to go with the simple Bitcoin USDT here. There we go. So I'm now on my chart here. I can do some technical analysis if I want to. This is a chart by TradingView, as you can see. And then whenever I'm happy to start actually trading some instrument or some symbol, you could go to the right-hand side here, where you can select if you want either a market order or a limit order. So that's completely up to you. Then you can select buy or sell. And then here, how many lots you want to do. So I'm going to do 0.05. And you could also enable take profit and stop loss if you want to, and customize them as well. So that's completely up to you if you want to do this. And then here you can also expand to actually see the fees, leverage, etc. And then you can just go ahead and buy or sell, demo or reel over here. Of course, that's completely up to you, whichever trading you are doing. Press confirm, and then just like that, as you can see here at the bottom, my position has been opened right now. Okay, so that's how we can actually trade. And then if you want to click on this button here, this will basically close your position. You can press confirm, and you've successfully closed a position. So that's how we do trading here on Trade W. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.